Manamig Church, guys. Nami diri nagparking.
I thought about getting the Joy Burger again, but it's so messy.
Nag-order si Honey og chicken wings na ko. Nya siya nasa burger. Kaunta, guys.
The Joy
Kaulanon,
Burger
kaulanon.
is like the best burger I know, but it's very messy.
What you got, Honey? That's not Joy Burger?
No, it's mushroom burger.
Oh, you got mushroom burger. Good. Nami dali nagparking mga higala. Kaon tayo. Natay, blue cheese. Init. Bagong luto.
Cook now.
Init, guys. Ang aking wings init ba?
Good?
Wrong ba? Come here. Come here, pes. Nami yan eh? Ano, close my door, ano? Raining.
What?
Raining. Close. Ulan na, guys, ulan. Nami scar. Nga niya mong kinabuhi. Paningkamutan nato nga malipayon ta kada adlaw. Balag simple lang, malipayon ka.
Oh, you ate the paper.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't swallow it. Okay, it's right there still.
Okay. Ano yan? Give me your mouth. I'll give you this one. Big mouth, okay? This is really good, honey.
Put a lot more. Put more blue cheese, please.
Blue
There
cheese.
we go.
Careful. Halang. Halang init. Init mga higala. Yung anime, guys, na?
You know I love blue cheese.
Ano to? Honey, the salad is almost gone. I ate salad last night.
Yeah?
Yung ani among gugma, guys, walang tinatago. Real talk. Ulan na. Pagmamahalan namin ni Hane. Dapat hindi piki. Makaharap ka man sa kamera o walang kamera, always real, tinuod. Walang halong pagkukunwari. Rice, tig-isa ming Honey. Sarap ng kain namin kasi ulan sa labas. Maganda kasi ang kalalabasan ng buhay pag ang tao ay totoo. Alam mo anong nalalaman ko sa buhay ngayon? Pag ang tao totoo, hindi siya mapapahamak. Hindi siya natatakot, wala siyang kinakatakutan. Kasi totoo siya eh. Pag ang taong mapagkunwari, bakakon. Pang kumalag. Honey, open your mouth again, my love. A lot of cheese?
Lots of blue cheese.
A lot of cheese. Oh, tingnan niyo ito. Big mouth.
Stop.
Oh. That's good, honey. Yummy? Kasama mas Myla, busog ka. Yun ni dalo akong bana.
I know you like mushroom burger, so
Yeah. Huh?